In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dimension style in AutoCAD. By the end, you will know exactly how to open the Dimension Style Manager, fine-tune the look of your dimensions, and set the style you want as the default for anything you create next. Let's begin with the quickest way to get where we need to go. On your keyboard, type D and press Enter. That's the shortcut for the DIMSTYLE command, and it opens the Dimension Style Manager. This is the central hub where all your dimension styles live. You'll see a list of available styles, a preview, and a few buttons that let you edit and apply them. Select the style you want to adjust. Then click Modify. This opens a detailed dialog where you can control how your dimensions look and behave. Start with the line section. Here, you can set the color, linotype, and line weight for your dimension and extension lines. You can also control how far the extension lines offset from the measured points and whether they extend past the dimension line. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in clarity, especially on dense drawings. Next, move to text. This is where you set the font, text height, and text placement. Make sure the height matches your drawing scale and standards, so your annotations remain legible across viewports and printouts. You can also position the text relative to the dimension line, which helps maintain consistency and readability. Now check arrows. Choose your arrowhead style and size to match your drafting standards. The goal is to keep arrows visible without overwhelming the geometry. So pick a size that prints cleanly and looks balanced with your text. Finally, review units. Set the unit format such as decimal or architectural along with the precision. You can add a suffix if needed, like m or in, and control rounding so your dimensions communicate exactly what's required without unnecessary decimal places. As you make changes, keep an eye on the preview so you can confirm the results before applying them. When you are satisfied, click OK to return to the Dimension Style Manager. Back in the manager, select the style you just fine-tuned and click Set Current. This tells AutoCAD to use that style for all new dimensions you create from now on. It won't alter existing dimensions automatically, but any dimensions you add after this point will follow the current style, keeping your drawings consistent and professional. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.